एनसीईआरटी केमिस्ट्री क्लास 11 का जो चैप्टर 1 है पार्ट 1 का सम बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 करेंगे। क्वेश्चन और आंसर दोनों मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है। क्वेश्चन है इफ द डेंसिटी ऑफ मेथनॉल इज 0.793 किलोग्राम लीटर इनवर्स, what is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar solution? See, if there are two types of solutions are given, then we have formula is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. By that formula, we can get the volume. They are asking the volume. If the density of methanol is this, how much liter we need to make this type of solution with this 0.25 molarity methanol solution. So M1V1, M2V2 is our formula to find out the answer here, volume. Okay. Now let's just see whatever numerical is given. You just find out the basic formula that you are going to solve the question with and just check that what is already given. Okay. So N2, so the M1V1 is our given solution molarity and volume. M2V2 is to be prepared solution molarity and volume. So to be prepared, M2 molarity is given already, and to be prepared solution volume is also given here. Okay, and अब हमको क्या करना है, V1 is our question here that we need to find out, and the only thing we need is N1. If we have, we can calculate the density is given methanol 0.793. From there, if we can calculate the molarity of this solution, the given solution, then this question will be solved, because two other things are here. One more thing, if we know, then we can find out the volume. Okay, so we need to find out molarity. What is molarity? Molarity is simple definition, number of moles of present in the liter by liter solution. Okay, the number of moles divided by volume in liter. Okay, that is our basic definition of molarity. Can I break down the number of moles in given weight by molar mass? What I'm saying is molarity is moles by volume. It's like moles of solvent by volume of solution. Everything is there in liter. Everything is there, number of moles. But if number of moles, I can break down weight by molar mass. So number of moles is weight by molar mass. Volume is as it is here. Okay. So molarity definition, number of moles divided by liter volume, and number of moles is what? Given weight by molar mass. Given weight by molar mass. What is density? Density is now weight by volume. Density is what? Weight by volume. That we took from here and we put the density here. Why? Because density is given. So we are trying to make a formula for molarity. It's not moles by volume that we know from the definition. We converted it to density by molar mass. It will be our molarity. So density is given here 0.793, and molar mass we need to calculate for methanol. That I already did here. This is methanol, carbon 12, hydrogen 3. So one hydrogen atomic mass is 1. We have 3 hydrogen. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. Hydrogen is again 1. So total is 32 gram mole inverse is molar mass for methanol. But we need this molar mass in kilogram here. Density is given in kilogram liter inverse. So we would need the molar mass in kilogram. So 32 to 0.032 kilogram mole inverse is our molar mass. Okay. This is our super formula. This will give us volume. But in this formula, we need to find out molarity for the first solution, the given solution. So this is what we are doing, because density is given. So this is our formula to find out the molarity. Density is here, density is in kilogram. So we will put molar mass in kilogram. And then this is the answer of M1. Okay, let's go again. M1, V1, M2, V2. M1 we just calculated. V1 is the question. What is the volume? of these parts to make this type of solution. So now we have this is given molarity and V2 is given 2.5. So our V1 volume क्या हो जाएगा 0.02522 L या 25.22 milliliter will be volume. इतना डेंसिटी है और उसका वॉल्यूम इतना हो जाएगा तो हमारे पास इस लीटर का और इस मोलारिटी का सोल्यूशन बन जाएगा. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, डेंसिटी दिया है, अदरवाइज दिस m1 v1 m is equal to m2 v2 questions are really easy if it is given like number of moles or like you just solve it here and find out molarity. But if it is density, just remember this extra step and it will be done easy. Thank you.